Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on linking your Instagram account to TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the TikTok app and go to your profile page. On your profile, tap Edit Profile. On the profile editing page, tap Add Instagram to your profile. A pop-up browser will open, prompting you to log in to your Instagram account. Once you are logged in, confirm you want to link your account to TikTok. Once that's done, there will now be a link to your Instagram from your TikTok profile. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more TikTok tips and tricks.